Maupay nga adlaw. This is Angela Hermoso Cabel representing the City of Hope, Tacloban. My favorite childhood memories. Actually, it's my second time to visit in Manila, and I haven't been really into Wendy's store, but there were a lot of positive feedbacks from my cousins and my kamag-anaks from who were also visiting in Manila. So sabi nila masarap daw yung food dito, and I'm really excited to try kasi medyo gutom na po. Oh, if I would be able to dine in with the beauty queen at Wendy's, it would be Miss Pia Wurtzbach. Because she's really my idol ever since. And I really look up to her. With her determination and perseverance and resilience as well. Hi to my supporters, Taclobanons and Orasnons. Please keep on supporting me. I am here enjoying the journey. So please keep supporting and keep praying for me na maging healthy ang physical and mental health ko. Thank